Hey everybody, it's Jerry. Y'all, I woke up this morning, sat down to drink my coffee, turned on YouTube, and I'll be damned if I didn't see myself in my shop making a knife. So what the hell's going on, Jerry? What the hell's happening here? Did you get drunk and just forget you made a video? Because I don't remember it. Well, this fella, he had on his apron, had the writing across the top. Had on Jerry's Wood Shopping Outdoors shirt. Same color and all. Big chuck of metal there. With a belt sander. No side plate or anything. Grinding away. Giving it hell, making a knife. Thought to myself for just a split second, what in the hell's going on here? I thought I was going crazy. Honest God, I thought I was going crazy. It was my buddy Will Patriot. It's a big shout out for Will Patriot. Anybody, everybody, you don't know him, go check him out. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description below. He made a knife for, I'm guessing it's for Mondak's giveaway. And Mondak, I sent your package out today. It's the only one that I had ready. I had to run out and get me some bits, a 1-inch bit to be exact, because I burnt all mine up. I only had two. I burnt one up. I broke the other, making the handle for Mondak's giveaway. Mondak Living. I'll leave the link to his channel in the description too. Well, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and I had a piece of metal here already marked and everything for a knife. I was coming down to actually finish up a few ferro rod handles and scales for some knives. So I figured I'd take a page out of Will Patriot's book and go ahead and make me another knife. Maybe two. I don't know yet. I might get another small one out of this. But I'm going to get started and I'll bring you back in a minute. All right, y'all, here is the basic. Pretty much the outline's been cut out. Almost dropped it. I know it's not directly on the lines. I got to do a lot more grinding. It's not going to look exactly the way the outline was. I always just modify it a little bit to suit. Well, you know, just pretty much to get it done the way I want it to look. Oh yeah. I just go for pretty much the basic. Let me see. Let me find one. Basic looking Bushcraft knife. Pretty simple looking knife. I think my buddy Will went with the tactical look on his. Turned out great. It is awesome. Like I said before, go check him out. I'm putting the link in the description to his video. Look there. The only problem with Will's video is the writing is the right side around and it's not backwards. I don't know why. I don't know. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to it, and I'll bring you right back again. That's pretty much the finished project or product. Pretty sharpened. All I gotta do is mount some handles on here and should be ready to roll. I'll bring you back in just a minute and show you the maybe I won't bring you back in a minute. I'll mount the handles and I'll show this on a later video. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do with it. in that later video. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Remember, check out my buddy Will Patriot and my buddy from the Mondak Living channel. I got a few more shout outs to do that y'all really gonna enjoy. So I'll see you later.